Hello, folks. This is Siddharth. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Automate with Siddharth. That's me. In this channel, we usually discuss about automation testing, Maven, Git, Jenkins, DevOps, right? SDET. Mostly, most of the sessions are on SDET. I do share a lot of interview questions along with answers or how to deal with product companies' interview sessions. So, stay tuned and let's start with today's session.
Class, right?
Uh, uh,
Now you're trying to create a class inside src folder, right?
right.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, I'll say finish.
Click on finish. Now there are a couple of things you need to pay attention over here. So can you see where it got created?
It also created under package only directly again.
Right. So now let's try one more thing. Okay, now let's go to src and let's try to create one more class. Wait, can you see what has been written in package section?
Yeah, test.java.
Right,
Yeah, that's our package.
that's our package. That's why it is getting created over there. Can you remove the package completely?
Okay.
Can you see what error you got?
Yeah, some error is there. A
What is that
package
error?
name must be specified for a module.
What does that mean? We cannot create a
Create
class.
a class without a package.
Yeah, so we have to, it's always good practice to have a class inside the package, right?
Package.
Now,
Okay.
now
Yeah.
do control Z, that means, okay?
Control. Yeah. Okay.
Tester Java. Now give a name to your class.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's do a practice that we will always give a meaningful name, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, give it a name, test practice, and always use class name in camel case, because you will be a manager, you will review the code, right? So camel case means test.
T should be in uppercase, you mean?
No, camel case means the first word is small case and the first letter of the second word would be uppercase. So test practice, remove the two,
Oh, okay.
capital P.
This one.
No, capital P and then small again, practice. Got it, right? So now what is the modifier? Default modifier it is taking as public. Public means when we create this class, this can be accessed everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So modifier part, let it be public. Okay, if you do it private, then it will be used only inside that class, right? So now what we need to do, there is, can you see there is an option, which method stubs would you like to create? Scroll.
Here, right? This one.
So here, as we are going to do practice, so we need static void main, right? So static void main is the main class that we need to have, right? So that this is the main part of our class, okay? Because whatever you write inside that, this will be executed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now inherited abstract methods you can remove. Okay, that's fair enough. Just go with public, finish.
Yeah.
Now you can do finish.
Okay.
Can you see what happened?
Yeah.
It has automatically added your public static void main, right? Now,
Yeah.
today just try to print something. If I will tell you print your name, what you will do?
Okay. Public. This one, right? Okay.
So public static.
Inside main program, we need to actually.
Right. So now just type system.out.println. So whenever you want to print something, system.out, it will automatically.
Should be capital, right?
No, nothing required. Oh, automatically it come. Don't need, no need to write off your own. See,
Okay.
out.
Okay.
Use tab. Click on tab button. Yeah, enter. Tab.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, just click on that. Okay, system.out dot, or else type it. Okay, system.out
Dot println, right?
yeah, dot println.
Print line, right? It is.
Println, yeah.
Yeah, println.
And start means your bracket. Now inside that println, use double quotes. Now whatever you write inside double quote is nothing but a string,
Yeah. Okay.
right? String, always remember, string is also a class.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
string is a class, always remember this. Okay, string
Okay.
is a
Okay.
class which helps us to define any variable you want of any type, right? Means you can put integer, character, everything inside the double quote. Fair enough,
Yeah.
right? This
Yeah. Yeah.
is something, right? Control S.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is my first, yeah, practice code.
Class, for example, or
Yeah,
code.
anything, that's fair enough.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
use Control S. Now you need to execute this one, right? So in
Yeah.
Java, whenever you execute, it first compile, then execute.
Okay. Okay.
In Java, everything gets compiled, then it execute.
Uh-huh.
So now what you
Yeah.
need to do, go to testpractice.java, right click on from your mouse,
Okay.
right? Run as. Now can you see, wait, there is an option, you can see a Java application. Now go to test.java. Don't execute
First
anything. Go to test.java that you have created. No,
Yeah.
sorry,
Yeah.
test1.java.
Test one. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now just write system.out in line number 4. Just copy paste, okay, whatever we have written in test practice.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Remove main string, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's giving error here.
Can you see?
Hmm.
Wait,
Because there is no main class, it is saying, right?
no, first read what it is saying.
Uh-huh.
Syntax error,
Multiple
insert.
makers at this line.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Syntax
now,
error, insert this one, it is saying.
correct. Now can wait, so now what do we mean by this? What kind of error we are getting over here? We call it as a compile time error.
Okay.
Okay, because until now your code has not even compiled, right? So it is a compile time
Right.
error. If it get
Right. Yeah.
executed, then whatever you get is runtime error. This is a
Yeah.
compile
Yeah.
time error. So whenever you see any error in IDE, what we call it as compile time,
It is compile time error.
right? Now remove
Yeah.
this one, means just move your cursor out of it.
Hmm.
We will try to now move your cursor to system.out.println. Syntax error token, it is saying that println @expected after this token. So now can you press enter after line number 3? Yeah. So now what is happening when you try to means directly put system.out.println, it would be difficult for you to run, right? That means you need
Yeah.
a main
Yeah.
class, or you can create a method over here. Now I will give how to create a method, right? We will see method is nothing but functions, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
the like public static void main, a default one they have given, but let's assume I want to create my own function and there I want to add this system.out. Then what I will do, I will create a function. So the format of function is, first you need to type the access modifier, let's assume public,
Uh-huh.
write public. Then you need to define it is a static or non-static. Now what do you mean by that? If you write static, then this function can be used in another class without creating object. What do you mean by that? So let's assume you have two class test practice and class test1. Now you have created a method in class test1 which you want to use in test practice, right? So now there are two ways to do it. Either you create an object of class test1 in test practice and then access this method. You are getting the point, right? You will create an object of class test1 inside test practice, then you can access this method or this function. One way.
Okay. By extending, right?
No, not extending, by creating object.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, very specific in this one. You are creating an object, then you can access the method of another class. Or if you define the method as static, you don't even have to create object.
Oh, I see.
You can directly call the method from the class name.
Okay. Okay.
That's the benefit of using static. Now write public static. Then the second option you need to write what it will return. So what happens whenever we create a function? Why we create function? So if there is any repetitive task or any repetitive logic, instead of writing that logic again and again, we create a method. So basically we sometimes expect that our method will return something. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah,
right? That
correct.
is the kind of basic expectation. Can you turn off this team, because I'm recording this video, so that because if you, because those are all concept, okay, if you miss it na Prasant, it will be very hectic for you.
Right, right,
Okay,
right. Yeah, yeah.
okay, so now public static, the third thing that you need to put over here is what this function will return. For example,
Okay.
you are creating a method to add to function, add to number, then the what the function will return, the addition of both number, right?
Right,
But here
right.
we are just want to print, so we will not return anything, right? So when I
Okay.
say we will not return anything, I need to write void.
Mm-hmm.
That means this
Public
method will
static
not
void,
return
right?
anything. So if I would have
Uh,
expected a, function which
some
will
return.
add to number, then the return type would be integer.
Right, right. Okay.
Public static void. Now
Yeah.
you can give a name to this method. Give a name
Okay.
like first
So one
function.
doubt here. You said instead of void, you said if it is numbers, we will write integer, right? If it
If it
is
will return number.
name or something, yeah. If it is name or something to return, so can I use string here?
Exactly. So every return
Okay.
type will be your data type or object, anything you can return.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I will
Yeah.
you can see it in my sessions a lot after this, but the basics I'm laying down the fundamental today. Okay,
Right. Right. Yeah.
public static void. Now give the method a name,
Okay.
like
Yeah.
first function.
Huh.
Again use camel case. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
start curly brace.
Why it's not working? Okay. Maybe I need to give space. That's why, right?
Start curly brace and again add a curly brace at line number 6, because now you have one class and one method, so you need to close both of them. Not a good practice.
Yeah.
Press enter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
press enter. No, after, don't write both curly brace in the single line. Okay,
Oh, okay. Okay.
bad
Okay.
practice. Huh.
Got it. Yeah.
Got it, right? Or else people will get confused which one you are closing.
Mm-hmm.
Now control S, save it. Now first
Yeah.
function, what is first function? It is a method, right?
Yeah. First function is a method. Yeah.
Now click on test one and try to run as, and see if you are getting, no, test one only, not test practice.
Oh, test one only. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Are you getting Java application?
No, it's giving me some other option called run configurations.
Why?
Because we have a function here.
Function should execute, right?
No, but there is no main function defined here. That's the reason it may ask
Now you
for
got
main
it, right?
function.
Why we need, so if somebody will ask you in
Uh,
interview why we need public static void main, you can explain, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah.
got it, right? That's why I show you, because whatever I have shown you, it's kind of 10 to 12 interview questions. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
how to create a
Yeah,
method, why we use static, how to
yeah,
define return type. Okay,
yeah,
what is
yeah,
the difference between a class and a method, what is the difference between a method, right? And your
yeah.
constructor also I will tell you later. So now
Okay.
you got it, right? This will, now let assume you want to execute this method in class test one. What you will do?
I have to execute it from test practice.java, right?
Why test practice is
By
Java?
calling this, by
No, but
calling this method.
let assume I don't want to call, I want to execute from test one. Then what is the solution I have?
Then we have to create a main here itself.
Exactly. After create a main over here,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
create a main and call this method inside the main.
Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, so here you did mistake. So everything will
Okay.
remain inside
Before,
class.
right?
Yeah.
Before.
No.
Always main should be in the above, right? Here.
So see how much concept is wrong. So your main method will reside inside class, right? How it will go
Oh,
inside
yeah.
package?
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah, inside this class only I have to make that.
That's why I told you, right? I will tell you, right? You are getting the point,
Okay,
right?
okay. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Now
yeah, yeah,
create a public static void main string over here. Always remember, never forget this hierarchy. Okay, method
yeah,
will
yeah.
reside inside class, class will reside inside package.
Ha, ha, ha.
Public static void main strings, copy paste na from test practice.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
if you write, very good. No, write it.
String arg, right? String arg.
Okay, curly brace start, curly brace end. You can be a little bit faster. Okay, your speed is less
Something is
in
not working
typing.
on my
Okay,
keyboard, I
and
think.
press enter after line number 4. Okay, wait. Don't do anything. Now here there is a concept again, you are getting confused. So what is public static void main? It is a method, right?
It is a method.
So
Yeah, it
if
is a
you
method.
if you put the curly brace down, then you are putting method inside method,
Correct.
right? You
Yeah.
cannot create method. You can call this method, but you cannot do
Okay.
method inside method. You're getting the point, right? You can
Uh,
call
uh,
this
uh,
method. So now start the
okay.
curly brace line number 4, then end the curly brace line number 5. Press enter. Why are you hesitating? Always press enter. Enter. Press 3 for enter. Give it a space so that you can,
Mm.
or else you will get confused with a lot of things. Huh? Now close
Yeah,
it
yeah.
over here in line number 7. Close the curly brace.
Okay. Yeah,
Right?
now it is good. Yeah.
Now you need to call this first function inside void main. Then only it will execute, right? How you will call it? Just type first function.
I think test one dot or something like that.
Why? See,
Okay, we are in the same class, so no need
ah,
to. Okay,
see,
okay.
this that's why I
Directly
told
first
those are
function.
the concepts, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's why I call it as a fundamentals laydown, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now this is how you call a function inside a class. Now,
Right.
where are your braces, right? You have to put the brackets.
Okay.
No, why you are writing first function? Done. Yes,
Okay.
done.
Okay. Yeah.
Control S. Now see you are getting that option or not.
Okay. Yeah. I'm getting the Java
You
application.
got it? How it works in Java,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? Now let's
Yeah.
try to call this first function in test practice.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, go to test practice. Okay, how you will call? This is a
With
static
class.
method with the class
With
name, right? Call the class
yeah.
test1.
Test one dot
First function. Can you
first
see?
function. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Got it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Now there
So
is an
true
interesting thing.
expression, right? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, execute both the player. This one and that
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Execute both,
yeah,
huh?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Getting. Yeah,
This is my first practice code, right?
yeah, yeah.
What you have written in first function, can you show me?
First function right here. Yeah. This is my first practice
Change it,
code
na? Or else it is the same and change it to some.
from test one class.
Control S, now execute both, right?
Yeah, yeah. From here. Okay.
I have
Yeah.
given you a Java document also, right?
No, only string
I have
is
given you a core Java document.
no, Siddharth.
Hmm? Actually,
No,
it's
no, not
there.
yet.
Not yet.
Mhm.
So the string one I have given you, right?
String only. Only string you have given.
Okay.
Correct.
Before our next session, complete the string and properly. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay,
But
okay.
today I'm giving you something. Right now I'm sending you one document. Okay, on Java.
In pre-placed, right? Where
No,
you
no,
will
I'm
send?
sending you on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Shall I send it on pre-placed? Because WhatsApp would be more convenient for you, right?
No, anything is fine. I mean, but I am not watching that pre-placed. WhatsApp is convenient. Yeah,
Yeah, for
as you
me
said.
also same thing. That's why I'm sending you
Yeah,
on this
yeah,
one.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Please, please.
So
Yeah.
that if anything is there, and ping me on WhatsApp if you have anything ever. Okay.
Ha.
Whatever I have sent you on just now, I have sent you a document. Okay. So
Okay, let
Prasant,
me.
just assume it like a requirement document.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Just assume that I have given you a requirement document and read through
okay.
it.
Mm, mm.
So whatever I've explained you, all those things are written over there.
Okay, okay. Sure.
Okay. So now
Yeah.
today, this is one of the thing, right? One of the
Mm,
concepts how you can kill it. Now let's do one thing. Now I'm giving you a task right now. Okay.
okay,
You try it right now. Okay. Create one more method in test and make it non-static. That means don't write static.
okay, okay,
Okay. And try to call it again in test practice. Test practice. Okay.
okay, okay. Sure. Yeah,
Go to test.java, create a method.
yeah. This one. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you are
Some
missing it.
method. Add something. I will give, right? Add,
Okay,
for
you
example.
are again missing it. You are again creating method inside method. Method will
Oh,
also always reside inside class.
Right.
So you
Yeah.
have to always pay attention over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're again doing the same mistake, right?
Sorry. Yeah.
Ah.
Correct.
Hmm.
So here it should be. Yeah.
Hmm. So class method, okay? Super.
Yeah.
Public void main. So not static. Now print something over here, okay?
Yeah.
Print like method with non-static method, okay? Print non-static method in system.out.
Somehow my keyboard is not working. Anyway.
Enter. Huh.
System.out. Right.
Println. Huh.
Any shortcut is there for this?
Yes, is there. Now you write. So,
SYS4, right? SYS4, I think.
huh. But now it's better if you write.
Okay. Yeah.
No. Yes, sysout. Okay, sysout is there, but yeah, your wish. Just
I
to.
mean, 10 years ago, I might have did this. I just
So that's why,
remembered.
because the
Okay.
more you write right now, na, the more confidence you
Huh.
get.
Yeah. Understood.
Right here,
Yeah.
method non-static method. Okay.
Huh. Non-static method, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Now call this method inside public main over here in class test and again in test practice.
Okay. Yeah.
See, you are able to understand things, right? It's not like,
Hmm.
right?
What is this?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. That's why I told you to.
Oh, it is asking to change it to static.
You got
But
it, right?
inside also it is asking.
Yes.
Inside also it is
Yes.
asking.
That's the problem.
Okay.
You got it,
Okay.
right?
Uh-huh.
So now you realize, right, how
Yeah,
the
why static
concepts
is
works
required.
basically, right?
Yeah,
So next
correct,
time when you
yeah.
review a code, now you can review it properly, correct? Because you know
Okay.
everything, right? Where to keep things
Uh,
properly. So now
uh.
solve it. Create an
Yeah,
object.
okay. Public static.
No, don't do static. You
Okay.
create an object of class test and access the add.
Oh, that way you mean.
Hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
So,
How to create an
object.
object, right?
Yeah,
Whenever.
I'll create, but
Huh.
where should I create that?
Okay, now you will answer me this one. When I am creating an object, right?
Uh-huh.
The
Yeah.
object of a class, you can create at class level also, or you can create it over here. For good practice as of now, you can create it over here. That's fair enough, okay? Because it's the same
Inside
class.
main only, right?
Yes, inside main only, or else you will not able to access. Line number 7.
Okay.
Press and enter,
Okay.
create a method object.
Here. Okay. So, forgot how to create it.
Okay, class
Test.
name.
Mhm.
And
Test
then
and new
give
object name, right?
give
Yeah.
correct object name obj is equal to new test. That's it.
New. Okay.
Super easy. Done. Then how
Yeah.
you will
Now
call
I
the
need
add?
object dot right here.
Bas, okay.
Yeah.
Done. See? Now you got it the difference, right?
Yeah. I got the difference.
Got the cool.
If I don't use static, create a class and create an object and call that. If I have static, well and good.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Right. So now what you will do now? Now you create a method to add to number over here. Change the add function. It should take two input parameter and add it and return the sum.
Okay.
First
So
two
if
input
I want to
parameter
return,
both.
I should remove void, right?
Yes. So the return type would be integer.
Integer.
Yeah.
Public int add.
Correct. Now add will take two input parameter both integer.
Okay. Yeah.
So now this is
Int
called as input parameter, right? Int I, int
yeah.
j.
Int j. Okay.
You know things. Why you are getting always worried? Now see the sum. Okay, yeah, sum we will do later. Yeah. Now put the logic in line number 11.
Okay. Maybe one more variable I require.
Exactly.
So int, for example, a is equal to I plus j.
No, always give meaningful name. Int sum is equal to.
Okay.
Okay, always give meaningful name. is equal to I
Yeah,
plus j. Because you know na, our human habit is so bad that if you don't do it in a practice, na, during interview also automatically you will write it.
yeah. Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
You better know, right? You work as a manager, you
Yeah.
better know, right?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
now see, still it is giving error. And what kind of error it is giving?
Maybe written I didn't
No,
do
no.
it.
But what kind of error is it?
Okay, let me see that.
No,
This
no.
is compile time
Very
error.
good. Compile time error, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
there is one more error in object.add. Can you see?
Because still we didn't
Very good.
do the method properly.
Correct. Now let's return it, right? What you will
Yeah.
return?
Yeah.
You will return.
Return should be outside the brace here, right? Always
How come? If you
or
return
inside.
outside, then how it? Okay, just try to return outside.
All my doubts are cleared.
Yeah, that's why this is important. That's why on that day you ping. I know what to do, so don't worry at all. Okay.
Okay, sure.
I
Yeah,
know my format. Yeah.
yeah,
Now
sure.
what you will return? The sum, right?
Yeah, some. Yeah.
Return sum. No, no. Why sum one sum, right? What's the error? Can you read?
It should be syntax error on token return byte expected. It is expecting
Hmm.
maybe to create it once again because it is outside.
Exactly. How it will know what is sum?
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, it
If
is
you would
not
have
understanding.
defined at, but still, see, but your method is not still not returning anything, right?
Correct.
So it will
Yeah.
throw error in line number 8
Yeah.
that you don't have
Correct.
missing input parameter and return. Now move the return
Huh.
to line number 12.
Yeah. 12 or 13 here, right?
Huh.
Okay.
Got it, right? Now resolve the compile time error line number 8.
Not applicable for the arguments it is saying. Maybe inside we have to give some here, right? No?
You tell me this time. Take 2 minutes, okay? Think. Let assume I have asked someone that take 2 baskets and bring apple and orange, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what should be the first requirement? 2 baskets, right?
Yeah.
So where are the 2 baskets in add that you have defined
Oh,
in line number 10? Ah.
these two,
So
I
whatever
should give
method,
some value or
no, no, whatever method you call, all
mhm.
the input parameters need to be defined whenever you are calling the method. So you are saying that my method will take 2 input parameter I and j, but where are I and j in line number 8? What
They
you
are
will,
not there.
so you need to provide 2 integer, right? 2 comma 3.
Yeah.
You got getting the point. You are creating an
Yeah.
object, so that means
Correct.
whenever you, right,
Yeah.
when makes sense, right?
Correct. Yeah. Now it is making sense. Yeah.
Now execute it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I am not printing that anywhere. That's why it's not giving
Yes.
me the
So
output.
change it.
So colon something, right? Like
Yes. Sum
colon sum. Yeah. Okay.
plus plus sum. Colon
Plus
should be
sum.
inside double quotes. No, colon should be after method. Huh. Remove this one. The sum is, right? The sum is and the
Okay.
value, right?
Huh.
Change
Plus
it. The
sum.
sum is.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the one of the benefit of working in Amazon. We are so habituated with this thing.
Okay. Yeah.
You got it, right? You created a method, you returned it, you called it. Just imagine how much time it took.
Yeah. It didn't take much time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's why don't worry. Okay, whenever means trust me, your 30% of concept is done today.
Okay.
Those are the main core concepts. Okay, core concepts
Yeah.
means everything you do in Java based on these things, because you need to create an object, you need to return something, you need to pass input parameter, you need to know how to call a method in different class, right? Those are the common things we do in day-to-day task, right? And whenever
Right.
you review a code also, It is quite important for you to understand this, right?
Yeah. Correct.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah, making
Cool.
sense. Yeah.
So now I am asking you to do one more change over here. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Instead of integer, create one more method, right?
Mm-hmm.
Create one. Now what you need to do, you need to put a logic. Okay? What
Yeah.
logic? That if the sum, okay, if the sum is a even number, then you will type sum is even, else you will type sum is odd.
Okay.
So now we are adding logic, right? If else logic.
Mm-hmm.
So you should do the change in line number 12. Press and enter and make change. If you got the condition, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Braces, huh?
Yeah.
Similar to method.
No, I'm not. Yeah.
No. Similar to method.
Oh,
Not
okay.
curly brace.
If
Sum.
sum equal to, right?
But how you will decide that it is an even number?
Oh, okay. I need to write a logic here.
Huh. So you need to first get a logic that how you will figure out that the number is even. So basically there is a rule called as n mod 2 equal to 0.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So just try that. If you want, you
If
can
sum,
check Google. That's fair enough. Go to
yeah.
Google, check. I don't want to tell. Go to Google and check.
Yeah, okay.
Write Java.
Okay.
See? If num mod 2 equal to 0.
Mod. Okay.
That means what you need to do?
Okay, always divisible, right? It is mod means it is dividing.
Yes. So just
I
copy.
should get 0 when I divide.
Huh.
So that becomes even. If it is not, then it is odd. Okay, understood.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. So if sum mod equal to they are given, right? Yeah, double equal to. If sum mod equal to 0, then is required here. Then should come or not required.
Why then? There is nothing. If else.
If else, right? Yeah. If sum mod equal to 0,
But why you
then
are
print
not
sum.
writing 2? Means with what you are divisible? Some mod percentile 2, right? There also it was written 2. Num mod 2 equal to 0.
Oh, okay. Num mod 2 equal
Yeah,
to.
or else how,
Okay.
with whom it will do the mod, right?
Correct.
And
Yeah.
now do a system dot out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here Java says one more thing, that if you want to add something inside if, then you should, okay, you first of all you write it over here. I will tell later. Yeah.
Okay.
Just type.
It's an even number.
Yeah. In the else type, it's an odd.
Yeah. Yeah.
Control S execute.
It's an odd because we have given 5 here total number.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
it, right?
yeah, I got it.
Super easy,
Okay,
correct?
yeah. I mean, like, yeah, initially it is fine here. Uh,
Yeah.
Maybe some complexity comes into, then I will divert.
Yeah,
That's
first
the
you
problem.
focus on the basic concept part. Okay, don't
Huh,
worry
huh.
about if your concepts are clear now, how to create method, how to call method, where to put the logic, how to use if else, you are sorted.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
rest
yeah,
of the things you will figure out slowly. Okay, with
yeah.
time. But if these things are not clear, then with time also there will be no solution.
Right, yeah.
Because everything will get piled up on you. So now why
Correct,
I
yeah.
did this today, because next this coming week you are going to practice the string of your own. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
because now you got the confidence, right? You can
Right,
write, you can copy
yeah,
paste code, you can execute, play around. Now the
yeah.
string part, start playing around. Whatever methods
Okay,
I have given, at least copy paste. But do
yeah,
one thing, whenever you practice something, create a separate class for every code.
okay, okay,
Give a proper name, create a separate class.
okay.
Okay, so today's session I have taken just to give you a little bit of confidence on Java, right?
Okay,
Nothing
yeah,
else, correct?
yeah,
So
correct.
now there are two more things I want to do right now. You change the public to private in line number 10.
Okay, okay,
Okay, now try to call this add in test practice.
okay.
Okay, create an object of, yeah, create an
Huh,
object of test class, because add is also non-static, right?
yeah, okay, okay. I need to create a class inside public, right? I mean, main method. I mean, object.
Hmm.
Object is there already.
Hmm. So try to call some. No, you have to do it in test practice, not in test Java. You have to call in
Yeah,
test
test
practice.
test practice, but there is one object here which I can utilize here, right?
Okay, just try. You need to use add, you need to call add method, right?
Oh, I need to call add method. So that is nowhere related to this object. So I need to create one more object here relating to add method.
Yeah. So where you will create, because you need to call in test practice. So where the object will be created?
Object will be created in test practice only.
Exactly, right? Then why we
Yeah.
have to do anything in test,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So create object here.
Yeah.
Line number 9. Huh.
Yeah. Mm, Test space obj1.
Don't give obj1.
Okay.
Give a name. Object add something, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Capital A D D. Hmm.
It will take, right,
Anything.
in between camel this one uppercase.
Anything it will take.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Usually, if you type only small also, it's good. Okay. No need to write off the
Yeah.
channel. But just write it as of now. Yeah.
Huh.
New test. Hmm.
Okay.
Now call the sum. What is the method name?
Yeah, add, I think.
Hmm.
No, I am not able to call.
What's the problem?
Because it is private, right? So
Can you
private,
go back to test?
it is restricted only in this main method, I think. Means
In
only
this
here I can
class.
call.
In this
Yeah,
class.
in this class I can call. That's it.
You
If it
got
is
it, right?
public, I will. Let me
Now do
make it
one thing.
public and see the difference. Just 1 second. Huh?
Yes.
Just.
No, I will add one more thing to it actually. It's still not.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
dot.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
I am able to.
Now
Yeah.
go and make it. So public anyway we know because we have already seen it. Now go and
Right.
make it protected. Now again go back to test practice. We are able
Oh,
to call,
still I
right?
am able to call. Yeah.
Yeah. But wait, huh? Put
How?
a
how it is? It is also kind of, private only, right?
Yeah, so
Protected also.
now you will read that document for this one, because if I will tell, you will not read that document.
Okay, sure, sure, Siddharth. Yeah,
Go
I will
through
do
that
that.
document which I have given. So how this
Uh-huh.
works, you will. But one example you got it right. Never get
Yeah, yeah,
confused that protected means you cannot call, right? So
yeah, yeah.
now
Correct. Yeah.
just complete the code. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
got it right. With protected also you are
Yeah,
able to call. That means right.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
But with private you are not able to call. With
Correct,
public you are
correct.
able to
Only with
call.
private.
Now let's do
Public
one more
side
interesting
looks
thing.
like.
Let's do one more interesting thing. Let's go back to that
Uh-huh.
test.java.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Go back to test.java. Remove
Yeah.
protected.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. Don't write anything.
Oh,
See, it is still working. How?
if nothing is given, then it is called public, right?
It is default.
Okay, it is default.
Okay, so
Kind
now
of public.
go to testpractice.java. Again, go through the document what default does.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
So now
Understood.
you
Yeah.
need to check this. If default, what it will happen? Public we already know, private we already know, protected and
Yeah.
default you will see.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Makes sense.
usage wise you got cleared, right? So if somebody
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
ask you an interview, try to cross question, you are still completely clear on your mind, right? Because
Correct.
you have
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
visualized the things,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Maybe I'll practice all these things again once again.
Hmm.
I mean, so maybe today evening or tomorrow whenever I get time.
Yeah,
So then I will be confident enough. Maybe after.
makes sense, right?
Yeah. 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 Siddharth. Correct.
Cool.
Folks, thanks for watching the video. I hope you folks have enjoyed it, right? And if you have any queries, you can ask it in the comment section, right? You can follow me on LinkedIn. It's Siddharth Shukla, right? And I do provide one-to-one career guidance or any doubts sessions using TopMed. So you can use TopMed. The link you can find it in the description section to arrange one-to-one call with me. I do provide sessions, right? End-to-end SDET sessions, which includes mobile automation, UI automation, API automation, Jenkins, Git, Chat GPT for automation. So everything I have clubbed together into one session, and that also includes one-to-one live doubt clearances or mock interviews. Everything clubbed into that. I have also added a couple of pair programming session to that. If you want to opt for that, you can find it in TopMet, right? You can go to my TopMet link. The link also it's provided in the description section, right, folks? Take care. Bye bye. Keep learning.